Dear students, welcome to my channel, Dr. V.R. Pudili, Professor of Management and Economics. In this video, I am dealing with cost concepts. Cost concepts. The concept of cost in economics refers to the total expenditure incurred in producing a commodity or service. Let us now deal with different cost concepts. 1. Actual costs. Actual costs are those costs which the firm incurs while producing or acquiring a good or service. We find actual costs in books of accounts. These are also known as outlay costs or acquisition costs or absolute costs. 2. Opportunity costs. Opportunity costs or alternative costs are the returns from the second best use of the firm's resources which the firm forgoes in order to avail of the return from the best use of the resources. 3. Explicit costs. Explicit costs are those expenses which are actually paid by the firm. These are also called paid out costs. These costs appear in accounting records of the firm. Fourth concept, implicit costs. Implicit costs are imputed costs or theoretical costs in the sense that they go unrecognized by the accounting system. These costs may be defined as earnings of those employed resources which belong to the owner himself. Five, fixed costs. Fixed costs are that part of total costs of the firm which does not vary with output. These are also known as constant costs. Sixth concept is variable costs. Variable costs directly depend on the volume of output or service. These costs increase with the increase in output. Examples include expenditure on raw materials and labor. Seventh concept is total cost, known as TC. Total cost represent the money value of the total resources required for production of goods and services by the firm. Eighth concept, average cost, known as AC. Average cost is the cost per unit of output. Average cost is equal to total cost by number of units. Ninth concept is marginal cost, known as MC. Marginal cost is addition to total cost when one more unit of output is produced. In other words, marginal costs are additional or incremental costs incurred when there is addition to the existing output of goods and services. Dear students, in this slide, I had explained concepts of total cost, average cost, and marginal cost with the help of a table. I had taken 4 columns in the table. First column consists of units of output. Second column consists of total cost. Third column consists of average cost. And fourth column consists of marginal cost, which is defined as TCN minus TCN minus 1. We can observe that when 10 units of output is produced, total cost is 2000. Average cost is equal to TC by Q, that is 2000 by 10, that is equal to 200. When 11 units of output is produced, total cost is 2150 and the average cost is 2150 by 11, that is equal to 195.5. Marginal cost is addition to total cost when one more unit of output is produced, that is 2150 minus 2000, that is equal to 150. When 12 units of output is produced, total cost is 2250. Average cost is equal to 2250 by 12, that is equal to 187 by 5. And marginal cost is 2250 minus 2150, that is 100. When 13 units of output is produced, total cost is 2300 and the average cost is 2300 by 13, that is equal to 177. And marginal cost addition to total cost is 2300 minus 2250, that is equal to 50. When 14 units of output is produced, total cost is 2400 and the average cost is 171.4 and marginal cost is 100. When 15 units of output is produced, total cost is 2600 and the average cost is 173.3 and marginal cost is 200. When 16 units of output is produced, total cost is 2900, average cost is 181.3 and marginal cost is 300. We can observe that average cost decreases and reaches minimum point, then starts rising. Similarly, marginal cost also decreases, reaches minimum point and starts rising. Dear students, in this video, I had dealt with cost concepts. Thank you.